I'm Mark Krause, the Managing Director for McLanahan Corporation, and we're here at ConExpo 2023. I'm happy to present to you one of our new plants, our screen over screw plant. It's been a plant that we've used for many years, but it's the first time that the public has been able to see a complete McLanahan plant. It's got the McLanahan triple shaft screen that I'll talk about a little more in a minute. It's also got a twin 36 screw washer on it, and again, we're using this plant both to separate aggregates to make final finished products like concrete and asphalt products, but then we're also using it to wash sand and make quality C33 sand at the end of the day, used for concrete and asphalt as well. What makes this plant so unique? The first thing is that triple shaft horizontal screen. I've said it many times before that this screen is perfect for this application if there ever was one. It is a very high G-force, very high flexible screen that allows us to change the amplitude, change the speed, and change the angle, which is very critical when we start using different materials for the screen media, like the urethane panels that we have on this one. Very often used in washing applications, both for long life, but also for separation. And the ability of this to have the G-force to move the heaviness of the decking material, as well as all the material on top of it, is critical to making sure we have clean product at the end of the day. Then all that water that goes through that screen comes down into the sump, into our screw washer. The big feature on the screw washer is our twin pack seal bearing on the back end. It is a very, not specialized bearing, but I would call it more of a unique bearing in that it's designed for 7 to 10 year lifespan, which again is probably at least 5 times what most of our competitors use when they're using their bearings. Simple Dodge reducer. We pour our own castings when it comes to high chrome and nigh hard liners on these flights themselves. And again, it makes a perfect match between the two. It's going to produce something about 250 to 300 tons an hour of sand coming out of this unit. Then there are a few features special on the plant itself that make this plant unique. And the biggest thing is the rollaway chute at the discharge end of the screen that allows you to get in there and work on it very easily. Again, maintenance is something that has to happen fast and easy and very safely. That rollaway chute allows that. It locks in place, then it unlocks, and then it has flop gate capability so we can match the blending of the specification to the application of which it has to fit. And then finally, after everything comes out of this plant, the sand comes out at about 20% moisture. If you're requiring a drier moisture content, something in the 8 to 10% range that you can sell right away, then we'd put a dewatering screen afterwards. Makes it a very simple, compact unit that provides the maximum amount of the driest sand possible. If you missed us at the show this year, check us out on our website, McLanahan.com, for all more information.